Good morning, students. We were doing the chemical properties of metal and we have done the chemical reaction of metals with the oxygen as well as with the water. Fine. And today we will study the reaction of metals with acids, that how metals react with the acids. Fine. Metals react with the acid to form salt and hydrogen gas will be liberated. Fine. Now question arise whether all the metals react with acid? No. Most of the metals react with acids but not all. For example, magnesium react with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid at room temperature. Means magnesium is highly reactive with HCl और H2SO4. रूम टेम्परेचर पर ही आपको रिएक्शन मिलेगा एंड सॉल्ट विल बी फॉर्म्ड, मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस विल बी released. Fine. Whether you take hydrochloric acid or the sulfuric acid. Similarly, we can take another example like aluminium. Aluminium also react with the HCl even at room temperature and will give rise to aluminium chloride, and again the hydrogen gas will be released. Okay. In the same manner, zinc will react with dilute HCl at room temperature and what we will get? Zinc chloride, again the hydrogen gas will be released. Fine. Now iron is less reactive in comparison to these metals, so we require to heat the mixture. It will not give the reaction at room temperature. We have to heat the reaction mixture. On heating, we will get what? Iron chloride and hydrogen gas. Fine. But copper does not react with HCl even if you heat the mixture. Even on heating, copper will not give any reaction by reacting with HCl, but copper reacts with dilute sulfuric acid instead of HCl. Fine. Aluminium can also react with H2SO4. We can take the example of H2SO4 also. Fine. Dilute H2SO4, hydrochloric acids. In all the cases, you will get the same results. Okay. But in case of copper, copper reacts with dilute sulfuric acid but not with the dilute HCl. Okay. Now do you know what is the meaning of dilute or concentrated? Fine. See, this is dilute HCl. Dilute HCl. Fine. Dilute means, dilute solution is what? When solute is less and solvent is more. Like dilute HCl means HCl is the solute, HCl is more, HCl is less and water is more. Then it will be dilute solution of HCl. Concentrated solution means more solute and less solvent. Concentrated solution of HCl means we will take more HCl as a solute and less water as a solvent. Okay. So metals react with the dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, not with the concentrated solution, because in case of concentrated solution, the content will become very much warm and reaction will be very vigorous. Okay. So metals react with dilute acids and what we get? We will get the salt and hydrogen gas, and most of the metals react with dilute acid but not all the metals react with the acid. For example, copper. Copper react with H2SO4 but not with the HCl. Fine, even if we heat the reaction mixture. Now, let's do one activity to prove that how metals react with the acids, or during the reaction the hydrogen gas will be released. Okay, fine. So this is the activity. We will take some test tubes and label them as A, B, C, D, E and F. First, I would like to tell you that non-metals do not react with acids. Fine, these two are the non-metals. So let's do the activity with these four metals. Fine, we will take the sample of magnesium metal, aluminium, iron and copper in a test tube, and will label the test tube as A, B, C and D. Fine. Then we will add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to each of the test tube. Fine. Then we will observe the reaction carefully. If no reaction takes place at the room temperature, we will warm the reaction mixture. Okay. And after that, what we will do? We will bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of each test tube. Fine. And then we will repeat the experiment with dilute sulfuric acid. Fine. And what we will observe? We will get a pop sound. A pop sound is heard in some cases when a burning matchstick is brought near the mouth of some test tubes. That pop sound is of the hydrogen gas. Fine. अभी हमने पढ़ा था that magnesium react with the HCl even at room temperature. We will get magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas will be produced. A pop sound will be produced. That pop sound will be of hydrogen gas. Similarly, aluminium react with the HCl even at the room temperature. In this case also we will get hydrogen gas and the aluminium chloride. Fine. But iron is less reactive with the dilute HCl, so we need to heat the reaction mixture and we will get the same product, that is the salt as well as hydrogen gas. But this copper will not react with the dilute HCl even we heat the reaction mixture. Fine. So no reaction even on the heating. And we will get the similar results with dilute sulfuric acids in case of magnesium, aluminium and iron. And in case of copper, what happens? Copper, obviously it will react with the dilute sulfuric acid even at the room temperature, and a pop sound will be produced, and that pop sound will be of hydrogen. Fine. These two are the non-metals. They do not react with the acids. So it is proved that reaction of metals with acid will give rise to what? The salt as well as the hydrogen gas. So it was all about the chemical reaction of metal with acids. In the next lecture we will study the reaction of metals with the base. Fine.